Good day, everyone, and welcome to your virtual tour of your townhouse that is for sale here in St. Louis compound in Parañaque City. As you enter, you are already greeted by the one-car garage and it's a water system that is located on the side of the garage. As we enter, this unit is fully finished. Which means you don't have any headaches already when you move in. Just bring in your personal stuff, personal appliances, and personal furnitures. This townhouse unit has a lot area of 66 square meters and a floor area of 118.7 square meters. This has 4 bedrooms, one that is located on the ground floor, and the other 3 is located on the second floor. So you're now viewing the lanai or the wash area, whichever you wish to use this space. It is already finished. It is already tiled, and the 1 bedroom, if we have elderly companions, this is an ideal bedroom for them. It's also finished. It has its own cabinets, built-in cabinets, and windows for natural air and lighting. It is also tiled, and it is also aircon ready. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell, especially if you're looking for prime properties like this one in and out of the metro. We might be able to help you. If you have any questions about this property or any properties that you would like to view, you may call, text, Viber, or WhatsApp us at 0920-562-4098. So you've seen the ground floor of the unit, and now we're going to the second floor. So you can see that the stairs have wooden planks finish on top of the cement, and the walls are already modernly painted, and so are the railings. So on the second floor is located the 3 bedrooms. We're now entering the master's bedroom. You can see it has a very big windows, aircon ready, and I think that's vinyl planks or wooden finish. It has its own built-in cabinets, and of course this one, being the master's bedroom, has its own toilet and bathroom. So again, this is ready for financing. So you can opt to use this for bank financing, or you can loan your this property through the banks. We can assist you if you prefer to loan this with the bank. So this is your toilet and bath for the master's bedrooms. You can see that it has high-end finishes, big windows, and countertop on your lavatories. As we go out, you can see that there are other 3 doors. As we enter this one, this is your second bedroom in the second floor. It is also finished, big windows, and it has also a built-in cabinets. So again, the location of this property is in Parañaque City. Watch the video until the end so you would know the exact location as we pointed out on the map. And this is your your third bedroom on this second floor. It also has windows and aircon ready units. And it has also its own built-in cabinet. So the property is fully finished, bank financing ready, or any financing that you would opt for, you can submit an offer, and the developer will look into your offer. And the toilet and bath is also finished on the second floor. It also is equipped with mirrors, tiles, and lavatories. Again, guys, if you have any question about this property, do give us a call at our number at 0920-562-4098. So for our the location of the property, this is located in the Philippines, Manila, Philippines. And it is within the Parañaque Sun Valley area. So it is a subdivision within a subdivision. It is located in St. Louis compound in Parañaque City. So that is the exact location of the property. So if you want to view the property, do give us a call at our number at 0920-562-4098. Or if you have any questions regarding or any of the property listed here in our YouTube channel or in our website, do give us a call at our number. So again, this is the facade of the property. It is a 3 townhouse, 4 bedrooms property. It has its own gate. It is a gated property. So security wise, you will not have a problem. And the community itself is a gated community. So if you're looking to upgrade or don't want to move out of Metro Manila, this could be the property for you. Again, this is listed at 9.2 million. So if you have any questions, do give us a call. Thank you.